So we were out flying and trying to get a shot for our main channel, and this happened. I lost all my video feed, and right about here I cut the motors because I couldn't see anything and let it fall to the ground. I crashed the drone because I lost all signal of the FPV, and we went and talked to some people and they saw it crash somewhere over here, and we can hear the beeper if you listen quietly. So we hear it right across the river over there, super close to this creek, which is just not good. But I'm hanging out here so that I can wait for Drake to go around and grab it. We can't see it, but we can hear it. So we can see it now. It's right in there, right up there, but it is through this thick grass, and I think I'm gonna send Drake in to go get it. Right there. Yeah.
Why there's ND filters?
Hopefully that ND filter protected the GoPro.
Yep.
But check that out. It's hard to tell, but that ND filter glass just totally shattered.
We're not flying anymore, are we?
Yeah, I think we're gonna cut our losses today. We're hoping to get some sort of cinematic shot for a new upcoming video, but maybe more on that in the video. You gotta stick around and watch. Our planned shot was to fly underneath this bridge, but as you can see, we totally missed that and cracked our ND filter on the way down this tree.
It's just not.
So we were just putting up our Hubsan drone, or DJI style GPS drone, and the battery was at 100. I mean, we haven't flown it in a while, so I was kind of worried about the batteries, but I thought it would be fine. The battery was at 100, and then within 3 seconds it dropped to 30%, and then dropped to 3%, and we were like, oh, bring it back. And we weren't that far from our takeoff location, so we just flew back, not too concerned. But literally 1 second later, just completely dropped out of the sky, and probably in there. So it's our second drone rescue of the weekend. Our mom's with us now. We have the coordinates of the drone and a new app that we can see our coordinates. Getting close. Hopefully we can find this thing.
We did some serious
There was a
bushwhacking
no-go
and
on the
managed to
drone. We couldn't find it.
not